This year I'm believing, for God to really develop me as a leader, to really, cultivate, who I am as a leader.
Here in 2016, I'm believing that God would continue to challenge me and grow me in the area of my leadership.
In 2016, I'm just believing that this is a year of astounding blessing. God is just telling me, just take the limits off, because I'm going to give you a successful family life, business life, and influence. And that's what I'm expecting, a year of success.
This year I'm believing God to develop me as a strategic leader in my church.
This year I'm really feeling the challenge to give more. So I'm really believing God in 2016 for an increase in my business.
This year I'm believing God to grow deeper in my word, in my ministry, and in the area of my responsibilities here at the church. I'm believing God to take me to that next level.
In 2016, I'm believing God to partner with my husband to be more resourceful in the ministry.
In 2016, I'm believing God for the salvation of my family and for Him to use me as that light to bring Him back to God.
In 2016, I'm believing in God for spiritual breakthrough and a closer walk with Him.
In 2016, I am believing God for financial blessings and breakthroughs. Last year, He blew my mind, but I know that it was only just the beginning.
In 2016, I'm believing God for good health in my life, my wife's life, and our family's life. And we pray it's going to be a healthy year for all of you.